Today we're looking at something that car enthusiasts and speed lovers have been waiting for, the return of an icon. That's right, we're diving into the 2025 Dodge Viper SRT, an absolute beast that brings back the legacy of raw power, aggressive styling, and a heart-thumping driving experience. Let's start with what everyone's curious about, under the hood. The 2025 Viper SRT brings back the massive V10 engine, but this time, it's reimagined for the modern world. Dodge has cranked out over 700 horsepower from this engine, delivering unparalleled power while introducing a host of new tech for a more efficient ride. It's got that classic Viper growl, but now it's tuned for performance that's both mind-blowing and a little more sustainable. And as for the design, wow. Dodge has managed to maintain the Viper's classic, aggressive look while updating it to feel fresh and relevant. The front grille is wider and meaner, flanked by intense LED headlights that give it an intimidating stare. The body remains low and wide, sculpted to perfection to maximize aerodynamics and make a statement on the road. The hood is iconic with a sleek vent design that's both functional and menacing. Every curve, every line, and every angle is designed to scream power and speed. Moving to the interior, Dodge has leveled up the experience for 2025. You still have that driver-centric cockpit feel, but the materials and tech upgrades make it feel like a luxurious, race-ready machine. High-end Alcantara and leather accents wrap the interior, while a new, fully digital instrument cluster and a large, customizable touchscreen bring the car into the digital age. Dodge has added more driver assistance features, too: adaptive cruise control, lane assist, and a few other smart features that don't take away from the driving experience, but add a layer of convenience and safety. The Viper has evolved, and this interior is proof of it. Of course, a car like the Viper SRT is all about the drive. Dodge has kept the manual transmission for those who want that direct, connected experience with the road. The 6-speed gearbox has been refined, allowing for smoother shifts and an even better feel in every gear. The steering is sharp and responsive, giving you total control in the corners. And with the improved suspension setup, this car feels planted whether you're pushing it on the track or cruising on the highway. But let's talk numbers. The 2025 Viper SRT rockets from 0 to 60 in around 3 seconds, with a top speed just over 200 mph. This is a car that means business. Dodge has also worked on the braking system, equipping the Viper with high-performance brakes that can handle the power and keep you safe at high speeds. And finally, Dodge knows the fans want more than just performance, they want exclusivity. The 2025 Viper SRT will have limited production numbers, making each car special and unique. Dodge has even included some exclusive paint options and customization packages so owners can tailor their Viper to their personal style. So there you have it, the 2025 Dodge Viper SRT. It's a modern muscle car that respects its roots, with all the thrills you'd expect but with a fresh look and feel. This car isn't just about nostalgia, it's about pushing the boundaries of what a Viper can be in today's world. Whether you're a collector or someone who just loves the thrill of speed, this is a car worth getting excited about. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments what you think about the return of this American legend.